Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss what structured data is, how it works, and how it creates rich snippets in search results. These elements can make your website stand out and improve click-through rates. Structured data is a standardized format that helps search engine understand your website content better. It uses a coding language like Schema.org to provide extra content about your pages. Structured data adds extra text to your HTML that describes what the content means, not just what it says. For example, instead of just showing numbers, you can tell search engines those numbers are product prices or review ratings. Rich snippets are enhanced search results that displays additional information pulled from structured data. This can include star ratings, cooking times, event dates, prices, and more. Example of rich snippets include product listing with ratings and prices, recipe results with cooking time and calories, and event listings with dates and locations. Structured data improves your SEO indirectly by making your search listing more appealing, which can increase click-through rates. While it does not guarantee higher rankings, it can attract more visitors from search results. You can implement structured data using JSON-LD, microdata, or RDFA formats. Google recommends JSON-LD as the easiest to use. After adding it, test your markup with Google Rich Results Test Tool. You can add structured data manually or use tools like Google Structured Data Markup Helper, WordPress SEO plugins like Yoast, or dedicated schema generators. Structured data helps search engine understand your content better, and rich snippets make your listing more attractive in search results. Together, they can boost visibility and clicks. Thank you for watching. Start adding structured data to your website today and create rich snippets that stand out in search results and attract more clicks. And subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.